What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. We have Rosealee my people. I deal with Annie and her youth them wicked. I say Annie is the type of mother who would have give up her youth to man. And she give up Mika to the lion man. So we are gonna get into that and hear some more Rosealee officer. See, you know, also have high school here my people. You have some things to say about Annie also, about, you know what I mean, how she deal with her youth them, and if her not should have give up her youth them and thing. And a long time in a year him talk about no topic, so you know what I mean. Make we hear what him have to say on that one here. You see, them have to rush Annie go hospital my people. Her pressure kinda take her away. So them have to rush her to the hospital. We are gonna watch that and see what go on there. So seeing Jabas and the lion man, they there with her on the phone or something. So we have a bunch of things to share. She wanna have, you know what I mean, some things to say about, I think Annie, yeah, I think Ivani. You know, I don't even remember if Annie or Ivani. You see me? But we are going to get in at people. So these are the things I have to share with you know. You see me? And Ivani also, and Raja must sit up on live. And somebody in here come up and way. So, make we get in at the people. And here we go on.
Confusing with vanity. She's confusing the baby with man. But the men where Ivani show us is not the men where I say. And that enough to know. The men that she come to the forefront with is not the men that I see. We only see quarter dozen. I see 1,013, 40, 11. Remember, we are females. Remember, we are females. And we do things in a bungle. Desperation in a Ivani all because infection rent it out. And on a sit down and talk about Ivani come off for the girl need for go on her son. How can I have my child who I call stepfather daddy? How can I have my child who I call one little one night stand daddy? And carry the one night stand God Disney and leave my picnic? Disney is not for Ivani. If she was single now and without any responsibility, we could say she relive her childhood. Disney is not for Ivani. Disney isn't for Ivani. Number one, she can't even understand the rides. No, Queen, it's the truth. But people not gonna like to hear this. Because they are entertained by your downfall. People mainly entertained now by your downfall. You see, once you can belittle yourself and save them the trouble, they like that. No, city is true. They love that. You carry a little boy, a Yankee. Ivani, I come from Jamaica. We not even have Coconut Park. Much as have Coney Park. Much as have Disneyland and Disney World. Sorry. You are come from Jamaica, you are take up a Yankee, a born American, and carry go a Disney. When you have your child and you live a life in Jamaica where you never enjoy your childhood, you not care your picnic go relive your childhood through your picnic. You not care your picnic go do that. If you were any mother at all, you not have to be good. You take up an American, it's like buying noodles for a Chinese. Me, and I didn't make it, go suck your mama, me not buy no noodle for you. Go into the kitchen and use the flour and make it. No, Pink Patty is true. No, it's not a lie. You have your son. You see, Disney World is for kids. We believe that Ice is too young. No. Ice will always remember as a baby. You see, for me, I remember some personal things. And people say, oh, you remember that I did so young? I say, yeah. People say, I lie. And I'm from you at that age there.
People, remember to subscribe.
Yes. You remember your stepfather's breath. Let me tell you something. And I'm going to say this. Some of you will get upset, but me not mind because I'm not uneducated. I don't want to break my daughter neck. Some are not uneducated, but you see, when a single mother has a boy, baby, you have to be careful of how you change your partners. You see, you can encourage that baby boy to love suck wood and to love take cocky in their bottom. Okay now. Shabbat I lie you tell. Actually you love cocky, you see everybody like that. Fine. If I am a girl mom, right? And I have my daughter growing, I may change man in front of she like crazy. I am nurturing a prostitute. It takes the grace of Almighty God to change her. So, it brings me here now. When Ivani state that Ice a go grow up and suck pum pum, if you think Ice now go nyam crutches. Remember his mother said this about her son, you know. Say her son a go nyam crutches. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if I have my loving son, my loving child, I would treat you like a baby, give you a motherly love and a motherly care. And guess what? Me why you can't open up and tell me about you in order for me to make my necessary corrections or give my advice as it relates to your upbringing or your growth or your moving forward. Now when you're sitting in the general public now and talk about your son, I got name rejection. No, your son after name rejection. I mean, we glad people's son eat out our all, but would we really like to hear say our brother suck front? Much less our picnic name crutches. When we know so sometimes we skin out and not beard.
People, you see Ivani them, let me tell you something. You see when you have no expectation for people, them can't disappoint you. And them can't make you feel no type of way. You see me? Because at the end of the day I feed them life and them are going to live it how it seems pleased to them. You see me? It's like this. A lot of times I see Ivani come and she talk some things and the people them, you know what I mean, believe her, and if she do anything or say anything about anybody and people that talk about it, she have some people where we leave the girl, you know, see girl that try be good, or you know, see girl live off of them the type of things there. When it's just cool out, Ivani can cool out and make some plans to come back and go on with the same something them. So when you don't have no expectation for people and you just left them, make them live their life, you see me, it can't bother you. And in general, you're not supposed to make people life bother you. Ivani them are gonna do whatever them feel like to do. So don't put them on a pedestal. I have no high expectation for them, because Ivani just the America to grab all she can grab, because she knows at the end of the day maybe she not get to stay over there, but while she did it, she gonna take everything what she can monetary wise. You understand? And there's two ways this thing you can go with Ivani. It's either it flop miserably or she make some whole heap of money. Because she a go start from here, so you know, but no telling where she a go end up. For as long as people go over there and I watch her OF, no telling where you go see. Just expect the unexpected. Cause me hear she and Roger did a talk, and me go make you hear what she and Roger did a say. And I go see why me say expect the unexpected.
No man, I could never pass such a judgment on my child. How I was grown, me no want my child grow, so what growth can I extend to my child by cutting out some of the mistakes that I made in my life? Huh? Let me ask a question. So when people sit down and say, Ivani a good mother, and I look father, Ivani a look love, how can she extend love to a baby and she's damaged? You see why enough are we not ready for breed? So I say it's not a physical thing, you know. Pregnancy is not a physical and an emotional thing only, you know. It's also a psychological thing. It's when people are talking about say, oh, my emotion running wild, your emotion supposed to run wild. Because all when your period come, your emotion on. All when you broke your emotion on. So let me say this, pregnancy and emotion may overlook it. It's when it comes to psychology. Because when you have to argue with yourself, when you have to reason with yourself, knowing that you have a fetus carrying inside of you, many parents don't talk about this, many mothers don't talk about this, they don't talk about the psychological aspect of pregnancy. They lead it towards emotions and leave it alone. It's a human being, let me say, morph, or probably not a strong word. It's a human being being multiplied. You see, pregnancy, me feel say, pregnancy shortens one's lifespan. I believe so. It's the same way pregnancy brings forth generation curse, perpetuate generation curse, or it can break generation curse. I believe when a woman, especially those in fornication, it shortens your lifespan. That is why the scripture says marriage is honorable and the bed is undefiled. It worried me when some people died in childbirth. I said maybe you were pushing to bring forth a life, not knowing that if you do, you will lose yours in a jiffy. It's not everything for everybody, you know. And not everything for everybody. You ever see some people that will want breed, and bring forth a handicap? Some people get pregnant for the first time and they are no longer here. Daddy affair go pick me. Well, you have some people who bring forth theirs and a pure generation curse. Well, you have some on the other hand who are no prosperous and nice, but don't feel bad. So who me gonna leave my riches with? Leave your riches. You came here with nothing. Leave it. Say bye to it. Say ta-ta. Say ta-ta to it. Leave your riches. No biggie. We try for have a bag of picnic because we are about to get rich. I'm going to leave back generation. You want to leave back generations Sometimes you are the cause of a generation curse. Sometimes God bless you, you go breathe and bring forth a generation of vipers. You work hard and you leave a bag of wealth and them start killing them one another over it. Sometimes you are the cause. Yeah. Like Annie. Then you ever tell me saying that one picnic in Annie all seem like them have ambition? The thing that is going to happen now, the internet, I go try and narrow down the best nastiness with Annie have. I don't make sense. That is why the Jayden, the Big C, Mika the Annie, Jayden has a practice where him groom all the ladies how to behave. Remember Ashley started it first. It was Italia, his friend. You get what I say? So you guys have to understand where these people are going with the story. When it was Ashley appeared domestic chaos, true or false? No, Ashley is no longer for becoming domestic chaos. Then Mika and Big C and domestic chaos. Same script, different cast. So you see it? It don't make a difference. I same old. One piece of couscous and them always make it look real. Remember Jayden and Annie did for go at it long time because Annie desperate with her rotten tooth. Jayden, me not. Jayden and Annie first that cousin and Jayden not take on Annie. Remember Jagga did have to tell Annie say, you nah get TT for fight my baby mother. Just to the internet. No, me nah do that. And my baby mother that. But forget? Yeah, you forget. Somebody say Annie follow Big C alone. It's a prank. Why should she? It's a prank. Why are you so invested in her lie? Go lay down.
Hey, my people, let me tell you something. You have some time in a life like in the inner city because you don't really see that happen uptown often when you have this young girl and grow up good in a good home and something and them start go high school and you know what I mean, them start broke out because them all them life they were sheltered. You see what I say? When them start experience certain things, them just go all out. And before you know it, them regret enough of the things them what them do. And them feel away, them feel dirty. You see what I say? Them feel like say boy, you know what I mean? The only way to move on in a life is to do worse. You see me? So their coping mechanism is to do the worst thing possible. That are them coping mechanism because them can't go back to the past and change what them do. Alright, them can't change what them do, you know, my people, for reach which part them reach. And I know say no founder now go get that what me say. But remember, you have one mistake. Where the mistake there is either it'll go make you a worse person in a life, or it'll go draw you so far back that you gone in a your shell where they must say, no man, oh this a girl that changed so from what she was to what she is now. You see me I say? So it's either you evolve or you dissolve. And dissolving meaning you go extreme for everything what you do. So Ivani in at the stage of dissolving. You see me I say where she don't care no more. You see me I say she a go do whatever she feel like. And a lot of people I say, why the baby a go change her. Ivani don't give a fuck. She just know say she a go give her youth the best possible life she can give that youth. But she now make this youth stop her from making that money where she a go make, because her body done out there on social media and she never did get paid for it. And now she have an opportunity where she can make millions off her body. What do you man? Me a go make you hear what can they have to say about our SEX tape, the latest one we put out.
I find some dirty clothes to go wash. Go find some dirty clothes to go wash. You're too invested in a foolishness. When them look up them like the whole of them depend group call a laugh off of the whole of uno. Go look some, go wash out some shit stain out of some boy underpants or walk out of your hole. Yeah, on a deal, on a sell for consume it so them can make money. It's true. And if I allow this alone, tomorrow man and Jayden have some next victims. My mom saw you in Sam's today. Yeah, that's true. Yes, Anna. And you can't tell us to share how much. Any amount. No, but people, it's there is no reason to talk about Jayden. There is no reason to talk about Annie. There is no reason to talk about Big C. There is no reason to talk about Mika. There is no reason to talk about any of these people, because everything is an energy draining system. Let me tell you something. They are working for the devil. When God want to feel you, when God compare you, Anna, when God compare you and strengthen you, you feel like you can move on, don't? When them people are compare, when the devil compare and beat you, don't you feel worthless? So, and I saw them people are program stay. If every day, every season, every time you're going to come with the same thing, and the world are not ignite over this, I could never be ignite over this. Me I live too much life. Bye-bye life.
I tell a next man some more money, or a next man I give me money. Just don't say done between me and you, you know. It done, you know. Me no want you, you know. Oh, and that me I tell you. But no one no serve cocky man. I cocky. Why? I don't. Why? Me don't know. Me don't know. As they say, me just a come back for the April. Me not really want to come in a mix up, but me just a pint in another cocky there. Me never see one cocky when me disappointed, you know. Me disappointed in another cocky there. And boy, give you one little tip. If you're not Vani, you're not feel it so. But me I give you one little tip, Vani. Since you come over here, come give me 2 different times the other day, me I give you one tip. Cause basically me and your friend little bit now, so me can chat to you. So me chat to you. Alright. So you see the cock there? I can't say cock. Don't you? Come on. You see the cock there? So them yeah, you cannot use them yeah. You cannot use them yeah. Pan a circle, no skin no there for your wine. No skin no there pan not for your wine. You have to go them unless you know use the hand pan that. At 2025 now, and now use again. And now you suck your hood dead, you fuck. That's alright, the man, he mood dead, but you're boring panic. Me not go tell no lie. Me and your friend now, so me can chat to you. Cause me and your friend not go tell you these, but me a pointers me I guess you can bad it up next time. Cause remember you come out fully body now. You come out fully body now before you know make everybody head a hat them and everybody I say your bumbo clap Ivani we I say. So you cannot flap now. So me I get some pointers say up your game. Cause me is a girl's girl. So 2 wrong no make correct. Cause the boy they hood dead, but you not do it good. So you hood or double dead. So you get a double dead hook cock. Right this. You no use hand pan that cause that's circumcised. That not no skin. You can't wind that. That can't wind this so. As me I say at 2025 now, girls stop use hand. And neck I do it now. You have to use your neck. You get what me?
Alright, my people, so I don't talk too long still. But as we can say, look more vibe and hear the look thing with them going with. You see me? That's why I say I will never pay for blues. Never, ever, ever. Pan a level, I say better girl than that for free. So why me I go pay for see that? You know what I mean? But to each his own. That's just my opinion. Or that's just my stance. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think.
Yeah, sir. I'm probably nervous. Well, alright, that's it to me. Sometimes I say nervousness give one adrenaline rush sometime. And you getting an adrenaline rush knowing say when them somebody has stand up, it have everything for do with blood rush. So regardless if him did nervous or if him did, you see me, it blood, like if him heart a beat fast, it blood will rush, so that alone would make him hood stiff like a stone. But when me I say, me not gonna say him not attracted to her because them a do them thing. We can't know that. We are not the man. The man can attracted to her. Cannot know do her. She pretty everything and she sexy. The man can attracted to her, but she a sucky cock boring. And remember, you know, you have some man, them used to them something there. You have some man, if them not used to it, you can anything. Them come out for anything. But you see when man used to them something there and know how exactly how them want it and know how to do it. Cause some man can teach you how to do that, you know. Them never do it before, but them can teach you based off of how them want it. Shit is boring. Because I know me not see you sending down in a short back. As me say at 2025 now, and next settings will go. Down in them time there and we are used so but first of all, where she go wrong? The first place where she go wrong, he would not big enough and tough enough for you can't use your hand either. Because she a use her hand and her head alone left. So the whole her hand cover up the dick. The whole her hand cover it up and she had the head alone left. Half of it. So that alone you can't use hand pan that the cock. You understand? You cannot use hand pan that. Her hand basically cover up all right, so she does a sucky tip. You have some man you can't sucky tip and them more feel it. You have some man you have to send you way around here, so. Yeah, around this, so what she have to do now? What she have to do? She have to alter her mouth. You see if you, alright, you see if you know the size of your hole, you alter your mouth to make it your mouth smaller than your hole. It's a psychological thing where you have to just understand. No, but it's a thing where you have to just understand. You see if you know the size of your hole, like if you know your hole tight, you go through. Tight up your mouth too. You get what I say? You have to. I don't know if it's but you have to mask your teeth. You have to see the phenomenal no. Phenomenal no things that me do. But me I tell you, you have to. So you see now when you come answer the test now, him don't know where to fuck. Cause you listen now. Some man that say, oh yeah, you're old better than your more. Yeah, but sometimes you have to make him can't tell. I saw your head game for blood. At 2025 no, you can't do them something there and you can't do it. Just don't do it none at all. Just nobody do it none at all. And in other world the way you're there, as me I tell you, me not bring her down and me not bash her. You see me? Me not bash her. Cause girl. You know see I lick me car girl with the door. Give me Angela. Give me Angela. Anyway. As me say, I bring her down, I just give her some pointers. You get what me I say? Cause that no she not go stop. If I suck that because her man, so I eat sugar use. You get what me I say? So you know, as me say, him. Which word we can use with TikTok now go? Body. TikTok no know body though. Him body circumcised, so you cannot use your hand on him body. You cannot do this part. You cannot do that. This of a man when no circumcised, where whole skin, everything I go up and down, round and round. You get what me I say? You have tongue, as me say, if you do them someday, you have to go all in. You have to make in cocky heel them because them feel like you're all in it. Them your jaw corner, you have to make him feel it. You know the jaw corner, put the body in your mouth and what's up, chuck in all the jaw corner upon you and do his stuff, make him feel it. No, and you want to show him, you have to lock up your own self, you have to handcuff your own self. Put your hand them round here so. You can't just loot, you can't just make your hand them stay so. Girl, remember you have to body it up in a video you do, you know. Remember you come out strong, your pussy clean, you know. A video you do, you have to come out and done. Well, all your throat so. Just, well, all your throat so. Girl, man, love them, look how kinky something there. You just do some weird shit, bro. What? Brother, me I tell her, you see, that's how you see, me I tell her, you see, you do some weird shit, man can't forget you. You live in a man head rent free. Me ever do some weird shit where they never see yet. Well, all your ears, tear out all your ears. This is so sitting. When you left, then tell them so sitting. Tell them to fuck y'all in your ears all on the can't work. Make man can't forget you can't do some look simple something. That not go work. And me know some woman are gonna say, so why me have to do that for please a man? Me not have to do that. Me understand, but me a talk about woman will love them something there. Because I know every woman I go all out and talk about, oh, me go do this to a man, whatever. It's okay. Me not say you have to run, go do that or.
Alright, my people. So tell me what you think, because as we say, more than never pay for watch that big woman thing, because Ivany, them boring in a bed, my people. You see me, I say, me can't, it's like me can't, if me compare like some of the girl them me I watch for free or then go on and thing to Ivany, we boring. Me could watch it. You see, me could pay for watch it. None at all. Big woman thing that are just me. You see me, we don't know about nobody else cause a lot of people she get her support. That are for one. She get her support. As me say, this thing here, it can work two way. It can flap out like Lady P will try her fight and go flap herself. You see me I say? And have to delete her account and everything. Or it can be, you know what I mean, something will take her to a next level. Cause this are just just on the ground floor she there, you know. It can get further, it can get bigger than where it is, you know. It can get very big, you know. She can make millions off of that, you know. In a US too, you know. You see me I say? And when she did that do her thing, the latest video she put out, the song with the Skilly Bang song, it did a play in the background. You see me? So all she have to do is try to step up her game in the, you know what I mean? For take control and do it thing. That's all me can say. Make watch something and then move on to the next.
Whatever, me I talk about woman we indulge in them activity they will like them some of the way. You get what me I say? You not have to do that. 10 different brother, 10 different mind as me say. This one me I say no son. No nothing. You have to make him feel like him a do something and him not do nothing. No son, you cannot talk body silence so. Me go up on the video, me not hear you. Girl, moon out bumper, moon. Girl, yes, when I don't moon all yourself, you turn on to. You have to try find pleasure in that when you do it. You ever hear Dexter say, she's coming cocky with passion, outstanding, and so you have to do it with passion. You have to do it like your life depend on it, girl. You understand what I say? Me know me have one video out there with me, you know, but that time when me about 19, me young right now, me a coach now, me can't tell you everything. Them time me did just a start. Them time me never know nothing. And me still did a body talk, grip that all in my neck. I only wear you have, I do only wear if you so could you do that and you touch it in her neck like down in her bottom so you know touch up her top in the middle and him not care about that, him not feel nothing there so grip your neck and God suck that girl don't upset me girl, don't piss me off Vani, do not piss me off. Look at the skin out and you're clean and simple. I think there's a bad pussy clad girl in my mind. Like two of you go on and two of you look at me think there's a body. I think there's a bad, you know, rampant cock. But you're boring.
Market.
But me love this thing. Everybody come to my date. Come on, try.
Let them talk because I'm making millions. Me not care. The more them talk, the more money me making.
Come on, five people. Come on, 5 people with a rose. 5 people with a rose.
It's more than talk.
5 people with a rose. 5 people with a rose. 5 people with a rose. Trot. Catch the speed.
Me just step on vacation. Me just travel so state to state.
Come on, everybody, catch the speed. 3 more, 3 different people. Faster. 3 different people, faster. 3 different people. Blood clot wave. 3 different people. Boy, I love your bestie, but I can't support the body eating part. If you're going to name body, you know, bestie, I can't name your food, you know, I can't name fry, you know.
Yeah, it's better than sucking.
Can't name fry, you know.
I think the man better more food to me. You know what I'm doing?
Can't support the damn body business. You have to go parts of this.
Surgery in 1 month. Daddy go to Miami. He might come back. 5 days time.
Come on, son.
Daddy name King. Daddy King. Say Daddy King. Daddy. Daddy soon come back. 5 days time I come back.
Yeah, pussy. She do anything she want with it. If you're throat, she do anything with it. But
Daddy up on the plane.
Batty did make her push out shit. You never smell how shit thinking. Me not think you can damn that. You have sense. Come on, come fart all in your mouth now, bestie. You're not dead. Look all the water shit got tip in your
Do
mouth.
it already.
Come track. I believe her though. I don't believe her a bomber clot. I don't believe her. I don't think so. I don't believe her. I don't think she name nobody. I don't think so. I think she just has said that because she know the people them are gonna run with it. I don't think so. She don't do that. I don't think she gonna name the body and take the fucking of the body. I know say she a freak long time. She will suck the cocky, spit pan it and chew it up and spit it out like winter fresh and bubble. But I don't think she gonna name bottom.
Well, it's up to you what you want to think from what you don't want to think. It has nothing to really do with me still. As you're speaking, I'm getting money. See, I just got $200 tip. Somebody just subscribed for $20. Money is coming. Income coming in. You think I can because all the hear them a chat say boring, then still a subscribe and then still a watch. Come, I beg you, come.
No found we do anything for money too. Yeah man, no found privately we do anything for money too. So no chat like that.
Of course, me that join all Illuminati for
no found we do anything for money too. You understand me? Cause somehow no really better, you know. Somehow no just don't this and attack, you know. Somehow no do some nasty things, you know. Me no believe she eat nobody. Me no believe so. Or I make man go in a rectum. Me no believe so. At that, me feel so. Me feel so too. Do you know? Me no feel so she do that. Them can't trouble her over your son. Found we do anything for money. She probably bought
Guys, triple.
No found just not say it, but no found we do anything for money. Cause somehow not dinner mint. No support our body eating business, doing our body thing. I don't really support that. But no, the truth of the matter is, no found her do some nasty things for money. Have man all a pissing on her face and yeah man, no found her do some really nasty, dirty things for money, you know. So no found her no go like a party. She said she name the body. And she said she go take fucking at the body, me no see it. Me no see it yet. Me just a try tell her say that no in it. No work with that part, they leave out a part. Understand me? But no found to do anything for money too. No found to do worse.
Carry me go jail, I in the high grade sale.
Level people with a rose. So no feel like someone can just devour our name up here. Say nah, I'm up on my pay.
Stop. Yeah. Hey.
Is Ivani, liar or Ivani 8 and no come here so just because on the senior
me buy one body plug.
Man, it's easy with that talk then man, bestie man. You can't me you there, you can't why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? I mean, why you do this to me?
Stop it, man.
Don't do that to you. Don't do that to my man. Don't trauma. Don't do that to my man.
Catch his speed, chat. Catch his speed.
Come on, chat.
Alright, be yourself now. Chill now. A time for beer. Chill, bro.
Everybody, come on. Work together.
Chill.
She can't make me and her just start now, man.
Chill now.
If you want to talk about fuck, we talk about fuck then. Nobody going at the bizarre stuff with me.
Me not talk about no fuck.
Then alright then, talk about church.
Me not talk about no church. Cause me not go no church.
Alright, some people, me I go tell you no, something where like me I pray and this is just my opinion. You see me I say, Ivani to me was a girl where, you know what I mean, where innocent, you know what I mean, where until she kinda start date and them something there, and something go wrong somewhere and she broke out. You see me I say? Then when she got a town, you know, can't hear her story enough time, you know. And when she used to that the place where them do the video thing, where she up online do whatever muggle for man and them tip her and it, yeah, that's something there, and her friend put it out. You see right there, so? Yeah, right there, so turn her into the type of person that she is right now. Yes, right there, so break her. You know what I mean? She's a broken girl still, you know, all what go on, you know. You know what I mean? But she accept her brokenness and use what them did a try use to mash her up, to build herself. So she become a person now when nothing what people say or do affect her to the max. It may affect her when she a pre and maybe shed a tooth tear, you know. But it not gonna bring her down. It not gonna break her down. She gonna do whatever she feel like. And see a person like that, you can't mash them up in her life. Or just that. You know what I mean? But when it come to certain like morals and certain things, well, you know what I mean, you know, say all of that dash out the window. So if you know want somebody on that level, you have to just find somebody else, because at that the time in the she depend. Make me know what you think. We watch the come on this and then move on to the next, because we have anything for share.
Hold on guys, hold on guys, me turn you. Turn around. We can't get no, she go turn you, yeah? Let's start here. Turn on. Alright, so
yeah, you can't get some from the keeper. Shine so light from the deep. Pretty and no money gone. I'm a friend that you know. Yeah.
You tap book and you like you go. Yeah. You go tap. So you go now look a bit. It's still high, you know. Go now look a bit nurse. I did 195. I did 195 earlier when we just come over with it. And me tell you it did 195, but it's still high nurse. Look on that man. Jesus. Hi nurse. You can hear me?
You can see me one more. Money gone.
You can hear me? Nurse, you can't hear me? My same thing, you can do it on the arm, and you can do it, yes, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. This one is more, you can't do what? Listen. It's a yes, but you can. Nurse, you hear me?
Me the one who can read, you know, where's the PPP?
So
why not yesterday?
You should have done it.
It's just because I don't want me to say, yeah?
Nurse. What nurse? It will give you false results. Let me see. Where's it? Come on, come check your pressure for yourself. Come here, sir. Well, make me check any pressure for your reflection. Come on, let me check it. What do you want? Check it on the arm. We can check it. Where come, Alex? Where come? Yes, our pharmacy. Nurse, we are going to check it at our pharmacy to make sure, yeah? Here, nurse? We're going to check it at the pharmacy just to make sure. Make it easy. Would you be able to check someone's pressure for me?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Princess. How are you? Good morning. Could you check her pressure for me, please? She is very high.
I can sit down.
No, right here, so you can. No, you're good. No, good. That's good. You just check it.
Alright, my people, so that Annie at the clinic or hospital or wherever she there, you see me. So we have watch some more and then we have a hear from Jawas and the Lion Man, cause them go live with her, and you know say she and the Lion Man did kick off, but you know what I mean, in sickness, you see me, you have to make sure say your friend or you used to be friend. Alright, certain way, you see it, so make you watch some more.
Check with the person first. I see him thing. She was saying, sometime I said this week, you know. No, I didn't check it. You know, spray machine is there. Check last time I checked my pressure. So we are going to see.
We'll figure it out.
Okay. Come on, show me. No, don't show me.
Baby. Marty.
Hey, baby. Yeah, you can hear me now?
Asthma.
You can't hear me?
I just had to take one of my reflex. Remember the live thing?
What's that got to do with asthma?
Allergy, asthma, all the same.
You said reflex.
Nurse, you can't hear me?
You mean the allergy thing?
Yeah. When we do the TikTok thing, how can she hear me? She said,
You can't hear me?
We're gonna go up.
Let me see. How can she hear me? Are you trying to talk to me?
What the fuck out no one if me hospital, you mad? Yes.
I'll be careful, you know, darling. I think you should stay, you know, if I for half an hour.
Jabba say one of them a go left me. Them a tell me say me a go get admit. Better me not stay.
You not get admit, girl. You mind a blood vessel, you know. What you need to do, sit down, drink some water, and just relax and see the doctor just relax. Don't try to go back home if you feel like your pressure is high, honey. You have to take your health very serious, you know.
Honey, I need to stay.
Yeah.
Honey, you have to work for your pressure. Pressure have to go down in the darling. Nobody run go away and look for yourself. Your health is important. All right.
It will analyze you, you don't want to see your kids.
Jayden, not like you neglect if me get analyzed. They can kill it.
No man, the grace of God over your life, honey, man. We speak life and not death.
I can't believe I said that.
No, Mika, me go, Mika, them, look here. Me no wanna admit, that's all me no wanna admit. Me can just stay for a minute.
Annie, listen to me, Annie. Listen to me. If you admit for your pressure to go down, just hold it and just know, say, I want one day. It's better that you're there home and it's serious and worse as strokes, blood vessel bust. You know what you do, Annie? You know what to do, it might look nice and you run everything. You don't know what's going on in your body behind your pressure.
And then when you go home, you go on the pan life and people go cuss, so you go and cuss them back.
Yeah.
Annie, you have to take that serious, Annie. You will go home and fix everything alright and you keep up with one side of your dead, you know. You have to know what you're doing.
Alright, give me a chat. Who has stayed me? Somebody stay, who has stayed me?
Somebody have to stay with you. I don't think nobody should go away. Nobody should go away. You're at the hospital. They should go away. Hey, let me cuss them.
Come. So Chanel, you come?
How they come with their care and go about them business? That's where the fuck.
You see you? Chanel are going to eat hospital. Everybody are going left me down here.
Well, Becky, go my blood clot yard. Are you putting them fit on with you?
Chanel 8 hospital and love man when I want her. They have to tell the hospital with you. Or send him home.
TT would never. TT would have stayed with you.
In a heartbeat, TT would have stayed.
Yeah.
Come on, Alex. Yeah, what is it, man?
Make Alex stay with you. Make one of them putting them stay with you. Yeah, Alex, stay with them mother you. And one mother they have, you know.
Yeah.
Chanel go and make a blood clot.
Alright.
Brother, my tell you go suck your mama, brother, you know you.
Come, walk.
Why we have blood clot? Your maga like a stick. Your maga like a blood clot stick. You don't see a TT a win. You don't see it on no weight. You don't see it on no shape. You don't see it on no face. You don't see a TT a blood clot when you ugly girl. Why we have go, man? What was it?
A long time I want to tell them.
Boy, nothing jayden, nobody laugh at your maga.
Nobody look so. You look like seahorse.
Chanel, yeah, they say you look like seahorse.
I'm here upset for.
Jayden, well, camel look better than you, know?
You look like camel.
And if somebody say guava leaf, they say guava leaf. Guava leaf good for
No, make the doctor tell Annie what good for you.
Because Jabas, the doctor tell me specific say don't eat that garlic, and everybody keep on say eat garlic, and the doctor want me say me not to do it. So that's kind of weird.
This way doctor say, cause doctor.
Annie, just pray that the doctor don't watch TikTok and don't like you, please.
Chat, you see so young with them number one person. When you send me big gift this morning, follow her now, please.
I don't mean what everybody doing.
Annie, just hold it, mama. Just hold it at the hospital because listen, sometimes you feel like you're alright, like and then you just smash up. And you're going to hear say a TikTok your husband make that happen to you. So you have to try to protect your reputation and your health at the same time. And you need rest. Annie. 3 o'clock this morning you're up. You need rest.
Yeah.
Yep. You do know.
You need rest, Annie.
And then maybe get charge on this side here.
Yeah.
Let me charge them.
And the truth, she careless. And I believe that I see him so.
Hey, my people, so this is Rosealee, you know, we are going to listen to Rosealee with her opinion on Annie and where she are going with and how she sell her youth them. And my people, you see TikTok have a lot of moral police, you know, they full up over TikTok, you know. And at the end of the day, you see what them are cause people about, them worse than me don't say Rosealee worse than Annie still, you know, because at the end of the day, me no know if Annie sell her youth them or nothing like that. Me no think she would do that. You understand? Annie is just a different type of person. We deal with her youth them different, and certain things happen because people, let me tell you. You see, if them a say Annie sell her youth them a whole heap of, that means that every mother sell them youth. Cause Annie never go to the lion man and say, hey, me I give my daughter, and then beg him money, or beg him the money and then say, hey, me I give my daughter. You see me I say, The youth must see her daughter, love off the daughter, and start talk to the daughter. See? And every single woman in this world, every single parent, them are going to know say them youth are deal with a person we are going to take care of them certain way. If you're poor, you're going to make sure say your pitney talk to somebody who financially alright, because you don't want them beat the same rough life for you beat. So if a data sell your picnic, well, enough people do it, and you alone guilty of that. So many people make a watch and hear Rosealee have to say.
That's why Shana, the little girl, cannot agree. Because same like she sell Mika Paya, as she sell the little blood clot big data what she have. That's what the little girl eat her. Me not customer talk, me a talk. In the business, I the truth, what I want me see. Me don't know about nobody else. Same like you sell the big data, I say you sell a lot, look one, I say you sell the big one. That's why them eat you. Because you're careless. You over here, you have your stinking family business on the net. Alright, okay. Every man can do a card with them. Every man can do a card what they want to do to make their money. Make money. Why the fuck you have this bag of junk of them around you? Feel as some come up with you, them are run behind you. Forget the views of for them sell and beg out tight. Why you can't use your own views and make money? Are the only somebody me see on social media, I don't want to name them out. We get views and no you and you sick my stomach I eat you. And if I feel like I don't say no stop. Box you up 100 million time. Cause you would have had 10,000 people over your life, and when the life done, you have 100 and add views. I wanna look with those say upon the rank board with 100 diamond. With those say I want box across your blood clad face. Because you have this them little low life thinking boy not going for that's not run behind you. Cause you put out your carelessness and then friend you and run behind you for catch it for sorry then. Me and Annie are friend. Annie don't go live, make me go live. I've never seen none of them push you at the top. I have never seen none of them from Jayden go right back to Jobbers push you at the blood clot top and they behind you and say go on mama. Them always want their front of you, them use you to make money. The thing them can use me and see me black all of them. Eh? You see me black them? Why do you come out come ball and say Jakes I give me money? Me and Jayden was friends, me that come up in my box. But glad them keep them distance. Them only can make do it for me see. And me never ever answer me come on for tell blood clot so Jayden, you know in a no position for tell me about no man because none of your bitches them where you fuck them never last so long cause you don't know love so you can't show it. It's either you talk or a girl pussy stink when you fuck her or are you got video her blood clot draws or you come disgrace a blood clot girl who you fuck. Every girl afraid of you. And Big C smart. I'ma see that pan her. But she have a head pan her blood clot body. Because you can learn off of Ashley. You can learn off of blood clot. Fabi. Well, Mika young and I look man. I fuck Mika look. I don't think I clothes she really want. Mika just want look a boyfriend. So she just get trapped because she young. You know, so Big C look like she have sense. Ashley have no sense and Fabi worse. The girl no want to do the prank what you want to do. You want to do all the prank and you want eye-catching planet and you want so long and tell people lie and manipulate people for them blood clot money. Of course, just a blood clot fuck for me. I can't ball it out loud. I don't need for prank with that. That's the truth. What am I going to run with it, leave him or accept it? It's out of the tree. What am I going to run with it, leave him or accept it? But it's just the truth. The baby father, not your time baby father. A long time mama.
People remember to subscribe.
Manipulate and the things them. You know that I me tell you now. Look what him do me. Who is moderator? Look what him do me. Who's that girl we are looking for fuck?
Who's that girl with so much in diamonds go give him? What come here, I look him string bean foot and him look what we go in our hole. You know who's that girl? You know she name who's that girl? Him and Peter gets long and chatter. I went to there when him start him live, cause remember somebody tell me cause me never there. And him get the bag of blood clot gift them. Him talk about that people bad mind him for. Moderator member, no hold no argument with no girl in here, throw them away. A long time him stay so, you know what already. And I really all him stay I come for talk about, you know. All him fuck me can say our pussy stink. And that's my problem. In a business look how long time him stay so. Long time him manipulate. Remember saying to come and say Ashley a breed and oh me I tell lie him what I think we want to do. Ashley a breed and oh me I tell lie upon Ashley and all of these things them. I want blood all of the things them. Remember me was like a little sister to him. Me and Jayden a friend before him become somebody. That them time me and my friend before him come somebody pan here. What him do? Rip me up, trash me up, push me down, and then throw me underneath the blood clot bus. When him sit down and tell people how my bad mind him sit down and tell people how me a cuss him unborn child, and him sit down and him use the blood. How this here so? And him sit down and him use the blood clot net. Na phone no time now. And him sit down and him use the net and him do the things them. So Fabi get a dose of him own medicine. Big C get a dose of what me a talk about. This trip me run. Are the quickest my black him. Quickest. My black Jayden fan Jabba story. And now when him a call me, I check my phone and say him a call me. So the 419 ending number is FEM1. I don't want to borrow the whole of the number. But the 4419 is FEM blood clot number. It's FEM number. And the girl not tell the lie upon him. But what puzzle me how him fuck me can say her whole stink. Me can work on attraction and put herself in her. Then I'm in a shame. Tit for tat and butter for fish. Not her whole, and when say stink. Well, if her whole stink, the people them say she stink, and that the people them say him say me love. Remember me not watching, me never listen to somebody tell me. Any family them have hygiene problem, all of them. Our how weak. Oh God! Murder! No song.
Hey people, wanna tell me if a bad mind on a sense in a Rosealee or what? See? Because remember in the same Rosealee what they come out and kick off with jokes and one piece of something on the internet and people are saying because Annie have a spotlight and he want to take you away. So all of these disrespect toward Annie and Ray sell you them and this and that. Tell me if you don't feel like see a bad mind, jealousy or what. Tell me in the comment make you watch some more people.
So now all it was my grandmother. I never go buy hot potato and bakey. And when it cool down, like you put it underneath her arm smell. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. But chat, if you fuck a girl, if you grind a girl and she smell, that's not manly. If you grind a girl and she smells, that's not manly. That's not manly. That's something to fuck certain boy. Them boy, they're mama, man. That is not manly. If you grind a girl and she smells, that's not manly. That's not manly at all.
I mean, never come live all long. You wish you for family? No, you see that man there? Wilbert's grandmother want to tie off right now. They can't tie him off. Tell him say want to tie off. You see say about selling. A long time I tell him say about selling. Yo, hey. Just tell him say if you want to tie off, man. Come in, think him and come down and have a time off, you know. Cause competition. Now follow a leader, man. See what I tell you, no follow a leader. All our children's them. I mean, I look on them there. And the people have money, bro. Anybody who has money persuade, you can't say nothing to them, bro. Money, you know, see a buyout right in front of the face. A long time, I see them where they used to sell, you know. I see them thing they used to do no found, you know. Enough of them women that we got abused. Enough of them women that we got abused in our culture. A mother like that woman, they make couldn't get abused, you know. Enough of them women that we get abused in our culture. I told people now look on the real. That's why if you take some people off our internet. Enough of them women that we get abused in our culture. A mother like them there. You see me? Sell them pitney. Can't some waste man on them pitney. Believe it or not. And they might live with karma. Enough of them there. Look here how they get help, they not because you know a mindset where they have from. So that the woman there one big disgrace in my eyesight, you know, you. That's why I'm not talk about her, you know, when they go talk about and then come like me and make all that get to me and I will just call all that when I see that. Still a youth them, bro. Seriously, still a youth them. All our pitting them a ball and comfortable right now. Our big daughter. She am funny now too, she don't look on you know. She in a man problem with young boy. Young boy I say more things for a big woman. Now too, she not step out and look on her thing, you know. Thing a disgrace, you know. You have big grandmother, you know. I got great grandmother, you know. She move your pussy, I'm not chatting with you right now. Yeah, I'm finished with you. You can't take no ticket on. You have big grandmother, I go. Great, almost great grandmother, if you don't mind shopping. Young boy dep on the internet I tell you say your mouth think like 20 but in a one. Yeah, I tell him say more thing. This a young boy sucking cocky and him fuck. Right. Say that you alone do that. Your dad over there saying I want nether out. Same thing like you. Balance. You say your whole generation is a generational curse, you know. Poor Wilbert. Embarrassment, you know. You know, when you take anything and things are something deceiving. When me see down and me look at me, a big woman this, you know. I mean, tell you, someone don't know if you act like elders neither, because someone there, a long time the woman there, you know.
Alright, so my people, High School is back for beat and teach. You know what I mean? Tell me what you think about what I say, but me I go cut him off right here so because the video get too long.